Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the top table border style in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we change the top table border style. Firstly, create a table. Go to the Insert menu and click Table option. Then create a table. Then increase the height and width of the table. Then select the top column or row. Then go to the design menu and click border style and choose any style this drop down menu. Then click borders option and select top borders. Now we can see here we change the top table border style. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.